Hey guys, Novascope's back here. Today's the first time you're gonna see me playing this game on my channel. Playing it. Jesus, I just hiccuped. Hopefully that won't be a problem throughout the video. But yeah, I'm level 44. That means 11 levels away from prestige. So yeah. And here come the hiccups. But yeah, I'm gonna just go play team deathmatch. Why not? I'm gonna try not to talk that much because I'm hiccuping. But I haven't really played in like an hour, so I might be a little poopy right now. The hiccups, man. No, my friends in the party. I keep hiccuping. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's annoying. And I used Weevil and the VMP. I'm like gonna be serious with you guys. I just started hiccuping. Jeez, man. Hopefully we could get a good gameplay, being my first game in an hour, because I got bored and I went to go watch YouTube. So yeah. And I'll show you at the end of the video what I got. Follow me on Twitter to see what I got. But I will also show you near the end or at the end. I'm gonna use the BMP, and if that doesn't go well, I'll just switch to the Weevil. Jeez, man. Keep hiccuping. The video is gonna be called Hiccups. Why is my sensitivity at 14? Oh boy. I can't stop hiccuping, guys. They're gonna call me the Great Hiccup. It's crazy. Now this game, it's pretty well balanced. I like it. Some people, I don't know, some people might not, because of the double jump or whatever, but I really like it. I feel like this will be the next Black Ops 2. Now, don't quote me on that because I'm not positive, but I think I'll be playing it for a while. Because Black Ops 2, I reached Master, so I'm trying to reach Master Prestige in this game also. Trying to burp, see if that will cause it to stop. Jeez, man. I'm actually doing pretty bad. Yeah, but you unlock your combat knife at 41, so I just got it and I like it. I would recommend using it because it's a one-shot kill, like every other Call of Duty knife is in. What is that guy doing? Is he stupid? Oh, where'd he go? Ugh, hiccups, man. I haven't had hiccups in the longest of times, and all of a sudden I just get them like crazy. Can't find anybody. I really wonder why I'm hiccuping. Oh yeah, sorry for not uploading a full video last night. It was due to my cousin being over. I already said that, but if you didn't watch the video, yeah, there you go. Maybe Black Ops 3 is making me hiccup. It's the game. Doing a lot worse than I really should be doing. I don't have 2 concussions. I thought I would have, but I don't. Jeez. Come on. Oh boy. Why are they behind that house? I've never seen anybody go behind there. Jeez, man. I hate hiccuping. I recently just started using the VMP and I like it. I don't know if you guys would like it. It's a submachine gun, but yeah. Now I'm gonna show you what I got. Look, Control Freaks, and they're the Juggernaut edition. I really like them. I don't know if you guys would, but yeah. We went 15-4, not horrible, but yeah, not great. It's been Nova Scopes, and peace out. See you in the next video.